Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris time, and I feel like I haven't been doing my intros like this at all lately. So we're gonna take it old school way, the original Chris time way. And today we're gonna be installing a bunch of interior mats for this 2020 Honda Accord. Let's go. Boom. So the first thing that we're gonna be installing is, of course, Lasfit's very own floor mats for the Honda Accord. Now you may remember I have also installed this on my FK7 as well as my FK8, and I highly recommend this product from Lasfit. It's high quality, it's durable, and it never let me down. I've had it on the Type R for about a year and a half now, and on my FK7 for 2.5 years maybe, before I sold it, of course. These are custom made to fit the Honda Accord. They're laser cut so that it'll feel and look like these mats came from the factory. And of course, what's a review without an unboxing of these mats? So this is what you're gonna get out of the box. Right here on this side, you get a picture of the floor mats itself, as well as Lasfit's logo. We flip the box around, we only have Lasfit's logo right here on the back. Bang. And that's all you get inside the box, just the mats. So this is what the rear mats look like, and it's similar to the Honda Civics where they have like this nice design to prevent your shoes from slipping, and on the bottom it's just this design so it won't be slipping on your carpet. Obviously we have Lasfit's logo right there, so that's the rear mat. You get two of these. Then of course we have the centerpiece. That piece just joins with the two rear mats, which I'll show you guys just like on the Honda Civic. Then of course we have a Lasfit user manual. They have a 45-day money-back guarantee and a limited lifetime warranty in the event you are not satisfied with the product. And of course, it says right there, do not place Lasfit liners on top of the existing floor mats, because obviously you want the correct fitment on your vehicle, and having your factory floor mats underneath these is gonna mess with the fitment. I believe this is for the passenger side. These mats are like so much bigger than the Honda Civic's mats, because as you can see, the Accord is a lot bigger than the Honda Civic. Oh, what's this yellow thing? So something different. This actually didn't come with the Civic mats that I unboxed in the past, but it comes with this little sticky thing. So that's kind of neat. Last and final mat. This is for the driver's side. And just like on the Civic, we have little holes right here so that we can lock this mat in place. That way it won't be sliding anywhere while you're driving around, especially if you're on the twisties. So we're gonna set this aside. And I feel like today's the perfect day to be installing these floor mats, only because it just stopped raining. It's been like this for about 2 weeks now. I haven't seen the sunlight in quite a while. So yeah, we have the Accord here. I actually detailed this. I didn't make a video of it, but like the water is all beating up and all that stuff. So really proud of my work. So let's go ahead, go inside the Accord. So the owner of this car has some sort of universal liners that you can get off of Amazon or Walmart, AutoZone, that basically says that it fits all cars. And as you can see, the fitment of this liner is not even close to being perfect. So they have that installed everywhere in this car. See, these rear ones, they're too small. If we compare it to the Lasfit mats, you'll see a difference, because these are made specifically for the Honda Accord. So yeah, you know, getting universal liners from Walmart or any auto parts store might be a good idea, because at least, you know, it's better than nothing. But getting actual floor mats that fit your specific car is a better idea, because you know that it's going to be a perfect fitment, and you know that your whole entire floor will be protected with these floor mats. So the owners of this car have the factory floor mats underneath the universal floor mats. So they have two floor mats. So let's just take this off. And just like on the Civic, we have these little locking pins right there, which locks the floor mat in place. So let's get this out of the way. And as you can see, these floor mats are so much better than the universal ones, as well as the stock floor mats. Let's do a side-by-side comparison, a little before and after, but yeah, it's a lot better than having no floor mats, that's for sure. All right, so now I'm gonna be installing these floor mats onto the Honda Civic, or Honda Accord rather. So this just fits right in like a glove. And of course, don't forget to lock these in place. So just push this down and twist. Same thing over here. And the driver's seat is the only side that you need to worry about locking them in place. The other floor mats or the other sides don't have these locking pins. So that's what it looks like after I installed these floor mats. It looks so much better than what it did before. Has anybody ever noticed this? There's a frame number, and the Type R as well as the FK7 have this as well, but it doesn't really have anything underneath. Because if we pop this open, oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Huh, now I gotta check the Type R. Sorry for the lighting, I'm actually just in my garage and it's nighttime. But the frame number, see if we have anything. Would you look at that? There is something there. That is the VIN number. I just realized that. So confirm, the Accord and the Type R has the VIN number underneath this frame number on the passenger side. And for some reason, on the Honda Accord, the passenger seat is a manual adjusting seat, whereas on the driver's seat, that's the only seat that is electronic. For the rear floor mats, I like to do it one side at a time. You're gonna have to do this side first. You can tell that it's for the left side because if you look right here where your seat belt is, there's like a little bump right here. So that's why there's a little arch so that it'll fit. Then you're gonna take your centerpiece, or what you could have done is your centerpiece first and then the two floor mats. Tuck this into the floor mat right here, just like that. Take this piece of crap off. Ta-da! Amazing. It looks so much better than the last mats or the factory mats that this car has. It's a lot better because that centerpiece right there is now protected, and these two sides are fully protected so that if you get passengers sitting in the back, like for example, if you have kids and they like to stomp their feet or like walk around the floor, these mats will protect your whole entire floor. I actually put this seat cover on here because they like to eat inside of the car. This actually came off of my FK7 because, you know, I have dogs and this is what I used for them. And now the Accord is using it. It doesn't quite fit, but at least these chairs right here, because these are leather, you know, these seats are leather. So at least it's protecting it from all that dirty stuff. So another thing that I wanted to install is these little cup liners from AAA Liner. You may remember the video that I made where I did the rear seat protectors. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out right here. But these are basically little mats that'll specifically fit all your little cup holders and whatnot. This is what they look like. They're a bunch of rubber pieces that were like machine cut. Basically goes in all your little cup holders and door handle covers or door handle pockets and stuff. So these are also nice to have on the car. Like we have this piece right here, which obviously just fits right here. Plop it in just like that. Fitment check. It's a little bit loose, but it's better than having nothing there. So this is the only hard thing about installing this because it's like playing puzzles. You don't know which piece goes in what. So that goes in there. This should just go like that. Might be a little too small. That's probably not the piece. Is this it? That's not it. That's impossible. This one looks like it's a little bit bigger. So that goes in like, oh, no. Oh, that's for the passenger. Dang it. Now, are these the same size? Yes, they are. We're gonna be installing this right here. There you go. Ta-da, fits like a glove. So for the rear doors, they also have little pieces that go here. But this one's a bit weird because this is not flat. This kind of like curves in. So this is the piece that goes in there, which you just plop right in. So it kind of curves along with it. So it just fits perfectly. It's a little bit loose. It's not quite the perfect fit, but at least you have something protecting all these little pockets that you have, as well as your little cup holders. So yeah, really cool to have in your car. So now that we installed the floor mats as well as these little pocket mats, I can safely say that this car is 60% protected. Just have to protect this leather right here, which, you know, just have to find some seat covers. But other than that, this car is matted, if that's a thing. All right, guys, so now that we have all the mats installed on this car, we don't have to worry about cleaning up any messes on the floor or having drinks spilling on the cup holders, because we do have these protectors now installed. Now, these won't protect it 100%, but it will prevent all that sticky fluids or crumbs from going into those cup holders. These mats will make it easier for you to clean. These floor mats from Last Fit, I can only say positive things about it. I can't think of anything negative. Anyways, guys, if you want to see more videos on the channel of the Honda Accord, be sure to press that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video. If you haven't checked out my last video where I sold my FK7, be sure to check it out. It's going to be right over here. So check that video out. I sold it back in October, but I've only made the video in December, which, you know, it was a really sad video, and it was really hard to make, you know, because the emotion that I got from seeing videos that I took before I let the car go. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time. Peace out.